I don't know how you're gonna do with me today though, because hi, how are you? I have some new makeup to try out today. I know they reverse Smokey Eye. That's what they're calling it. I don't know what they're calling it, but you know that trending, so we're going to try it out today. I already prepped my skin. I have moisturizer on. So today I'm gonna use this primer from Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas primer. I'm just gonna put my hands in here because this is mine, nobody else using it. I have my little mirror right here. So you guys, how are you doing? Clearly my skin has not been on its best behavior, so I'm just rocking with it, you know, just rocking with it. Yeah, I have to hop on this trend because I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with everything about it, you know. I love a good smoky eye with a good lash, you know. And yeah, we just give the drama. So primer is on. Get into my nails. So for my foundations today, I have two that I want to use. I'm missing a step. My eyebrows. Hold please. I'm still really on the fence about the this brow freeze, because but like when I put them on, my brows look really good. Like they look good and they stay in place, but then like throughout the day I feel like it just falls. I don't know if I'm putting enough. I feel like I am. But it just kind of falls, and that's annoying. That's why I like my Lancome Silk Booster for my eyebrows. I use in the Urban Decay All Nighter full coverage concealer, waterproof full coverage concealer in the shade light medium to sculpt my eyebrows. So I'm saying I am still gonna prime my lids because I just want to put a crease shade like in my crease, and so I'm using the paint pot in the shade Contemplative State, and it's just their Pro Longwear paint pot. Just gonna put that all over my lids. It's really hot. So I have my fan on a high, on high. Why are I always eating up my words? I need to stop talking like if all you don't understand what it is I say when I talk normal. I get so accustomed to trying to like talk for people to understand what I'm saying that when I come on here I just talk so they can try to understand what I'm saying. Boy, you understand what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm talking, understand what I'm saying? I think so. Okay, so now that that's on, I'm not gonna go in with my crease color yet, but I am gonna go in with a lid color to kind of set that base because we don't want it to go anywhere. And even though these Pro Longwear paint pots are pretty good with like staying in place and holding your shadows for a really long time, helping with the long wear and longevity of the shadows, I'm still gonna set it only because I'm starting to get some creases and some fine lines on my eyelids. It's like not cute, so I am gonna put some powder and I'm just gonna put my Sephora micro smooth powder, and I have mine in the shade Sable Sand medium 30, and I'm just gonna take the same brush, the MAC 217, and just press that in all over my eyes. So I'm kind of feeling like I need to put my base on, because when I put the eyeliner under here, I don't want to go in with like concealer to mess this up under here. So I think I'm gonna do my base first. Maybe I should put my crease color one time. I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer. I'm gonna take this one from Patrick Tab. This is the She Sculpted, and I have mine in the shade, I think She Sculpted is the shade. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Just gonna pop some of that into my crease. I'm really going in on the like inner nose bridge part, because I've kind of been really liking that look, and I'm just kind of taking it up into the brows a little bit, like the front of the brow, and then in the crease. Okay, so for my foundation today, I'm gonna use, I have two here. I have the Airbrush Flawless Foundation Stays All Night, All Day and All Night by Charlotte Tilbury, and I have this in the shade 7.5 Neutral. And then I also have the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I have this one in the shade 3.2. For some reason this one seems a little bit dark, and then this one seems like a little bit light, so I'm thinking I'm gonna mix these two. Yeah, so in person I feel like it looks fine, but on camera I feel like it looks really yellow. So yeah, that's like my issue with foundations. Like if I do neutral, it's too light, but if I go golden, it's too yellow, you know. So I feel like I'm right in between, and there's nothing in between for me, which is kind of upsetting. So now I'm gonna take my e.l.f. cream contour palette, and I'm gonna take the dark one today because we're feeling a little extra. Now I'm gonna set under the eyes, and I'm gonna use my Hourglass mineral veil translucent setting powder, not mineral veil, just veil. So I feel like everybody's kind of been doing the trend with either black or brown. So I wanted to kind of switch it up and do the like a plum. So I got this pencil today. I got the Master Pigment Pro pencil by Mario, and I got this one in the shade Deep Plum. So let me get my life together because okay, so I'm going in with the eyeliner to line my waterlines, and then I'm just gonna use where I place the powder as a guideline for where I want my wing to be. So I think I'm gonna do one eye at a time because I've never used these pencils before, so I don't know how they work. Are you seeing how one of my big and one small? Like this eye big and this one small. You know, like when you do something for a really long time and then you do it again and you're like, wow, I really miss doing this, or like it really shows you like how much you enjoy doing it. Like that's how I feel right now. Like, wow, I really miss this, I really enjoy doing this. Like, wow, this makes me feel so happy. This, you know, that's how I feel right now. But I also feel like I needed to step away for me to realize like how much I enjoy this, and you know how much I love doing this. And maybe that's just me being corny right now, but yeah. I was watching a video this morning and the girl was like, you know, check up on your strong friends, you know, the ones that, you know, don't complain, always happy, always laughing, you know, check up on them because you never know. Depression and mental health issues is a real thing, and you can never really judge a book by its cover. So just always be kind to one another, you know, be loving, respectful, all that good stuff. And for my blush today, I think I want to use maybe this palette, and And I think I'll go in with this shade powder blush, this one right here. It's kind of really pink. Let's see. Oh, but it's so pretty. It's not a matte blush. It's a very shimmery blush. It's kind of not the vibe I was going for, but ooh, look at that skin. Oh, never mind. She's giving life. Okay, a lot. So now that lashes is on, I am going to go in with this shade right here called Cosmic, and this is from the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. And I'm just gonna pop that in my teared up area. I'll take this Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. All over my lips, and I'm just gonna go over it with this gloss with the pink crystal. Okay, my love, so that brings us to the end of this video. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Are you loving it? Are you guys loving this review Smokey Eye look? I'm here for it. I'm not gonna lie. It's very simple. It's very put together, glamorous, you know, all the good stuff. Very sexy, very sultry. Yeah, so I'm pretty obsessed. But you already know this. You already know I was gonna say that. So that should be my my picture, right? Let me take a picture. Hold on. Okay, my love, so that brings us to the end of this look. I really enjoyed recreating this look. I love putting my little twist on it, with using a color instead of like a black or brown. I also enjoyed playing with some new products because y'all know I love to do that over here. So yeah, come. Oh my god, it's string from my pants. Almost had a heart attack. Anyways, you guys, comment down below, let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys would like to see next. I would really like to know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to join the vibes, because all you know is always our vibes you seen over here. Bye guys. I don't know how I deal with myself, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know how anybody does here with me because this shit, that bitch is crazy.